So this is, okay. So this is a woozy. Coinbase warns users could lose their crypto holdings if the company goes bankrupt. So now, real quick, if anyone ever finds this, right, and they're a crypto person, if you hold your money on exchanges, you're a dumbass. Like, I get it if you're like, if you're a trader, right, and you just want to leave it in there overnight or whatever. But if you're like buying cryptocurrency with the intent to hold it for a long term or a long period of time, and you are holding it on an exchange that is not your cryptocurrency, if it's not your keys, it's not your Bitcoin, motherfucker. But anyway, let's read. By the way, I'll get into the best part about this very soon. Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, said its users might lose access to their holdings if the company ever went bankrupt. The disclosure was included in the company's first quarter earnings report, and that was the first time the risk factor was mentioned. It also noted that Coinbase held $256 billion in fiat currencies and virtual coins. Now, once again, if you know anything about bankruptcy law, you would know that this is a no-brainer. Like, this is not like, just to be very clear, this is not anything like, it's not Coinbase. Is it like, Binance doesn't have this problem, or Kraken? No, they all have this problem. That's the point of exchanges. When exchanges go under, you lose access to your shit, right? That's just how it is. So it's not like, this isn't like Coinbase is exclusively problematic and other companies do not have those issues, right? This is a problem in crypto as a whole, and that's why I endorse crypto regulation in the sense that people should be able to have things like FDIC insurance. If Coinbase wants to act like a bank, which that's their kind of thing. They're called Coinbase. They want to act as a crypto bank. They should have rights to have FDIC regulations and so forth, and that's why I support that. Because custodially held crypto assets may be considered to be the property of a bankruptcy estate. In the event of a bankruptcy, the crypto assets we hold in the custody on behalf of our customers could be subject to bankruptcy proceedings, and such customers could be treated as a generally unsecured creditors. Now, again, the language here could, right? It's possible that the day before bankruptcy, they give everyone an email, take your fucking crypto out now, right? We're going to go bankrupt tomorrow, right? So, there's ways to go about that. That means users would lose access to the balances because they would become Coinbase's property. It's a different scenario from the traditional investments. Many bank accounts, including checking and savings, are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation for up to $250,000 per account if the bank goes under, while the Securities Investor Protection Corp helps if a broker or dealer goes bankrupt. Crypto enthusiasts have long heralded the decentralized movement as, in part, a way to give people complete control and ownership of their finances. That's only the case for those who physically store their cryptocurrency in personal wallets. I don't know what the word physically is doing there. You can have a crypto wallet that's not a physical device. I don't know why the word physically is there, but I don't know. As opposed to a platform like Coinbase, Coinbase does offer a self-custody wallet called Coinbase Wallet. Following the earnings report, which sent the company's stock plummeting more than 23%, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said there's no risk of bankruptcy right now. Anyway, you can read the rest of that if you want. But let's take a look at Coinbase's stock performance since it went public. This happened last year during the big crypto boom. Last year, May 2021. Bada boom. That was a great time to be alive. So Coinbase goes public at approximately $350 a share. And now 1 year later, like, have you ever seen a stock drop this much? I mean, this is a stock. I want to remind everyone, Coinbase is a public company with a publicly traded stock. This is not a cryptocurrency that represents Coinbase. This is on the stock market. Down 84 fucking percent on the year to year. So from May 21 to May 22, it is down 80 fucking 4%. That is epic. I have to tell you, that is epic. I couldn't possibly, in words that exist in the human language, I couldn't possibly summarize this in any other word than epic. Now let's assume, right, just for the sake of argument, let's assume crypto takes off again. I mean, it has historically every time. since Bitcoin has really been, traded since like 2011 or 2010, really, it's gained that kind of, volatility, right? Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies go up and down 80, 90% all the time. I remember back in 2017, there was a big rally, and then 2018 and 2019 and 2020, the markets cratered, shit went down 90%. And then 2021 happens, right? That shit goes up like, fucking 10, 20x. Bitcoin went up like, I think Bitcoin went up like 20x over the course of 2020 to 2021, right? So I don't know, man. This could be a pretty good opportunity if you're a stock person and you're not a crypto person and you want to invest in the crypto market, right? But in a way that you're insured. Hey, I'm just saying, I'm not trying to sell you Coinbase stock. I mean, I'm staying the fuck away from this one for now. But I'm just saying, down 84%. That is epic. I don't know what to tell you. But again, this article, like, this is being reported in media like, oh, crypto bros taking L's. I mean, this is like, this isn't anything to do with Coinbase. This is just every exchange is under the same situation. It's just that Coinbase is being honest and transparent about it, which in my opinion, to be honest with you, makes me respect Coinbase more, right? Because they're being honest and open and they're saying, yes, the regulations that would protect you are not here. And if you want them, advocate for them. If you don't want them, whatever. Some people would prefer if they don't have regulations, I guess, right? But again, every crypto exchange is in the same position. Binance, Kraken, all these other fucking shithole exchanges, they're all in the same position. It's just Coinbase is being honest about it, right? But again, people that don't understand how crypto works, they're parading this around as if this is some unique L or something. But I think everyone that is involved in cryptocurrency, or at least I hope everyone is involved in cryptocurrency, understands that if you don't have your keys, then you don't have your currency, right? It's just you have like Chuck E. Cheese tokens on the Coinbase internal exchanges, right? And then you can take out you can cash them in for prizes if you want in regards to, pulling your crypto into your own wallet, or you can just leave them in there and hope they don't go bankrupt. But if Coinbase were to go bankrupt, I guarantee you that they would announce that ahead of time and allow people to properly be able to withdraw their stuff. And again, like, let's just also note that this isn't just a crypto thing. Look at Steam. What happens if Steam goes down? Gaming platform. What happens if, look at these situations with Xbox and PlayStation online stores, right? People buy video games on their PlayStation Network or their Xbox Live arcade accounts or whatever. I don't know if they still call it the arcade. I don't know. I'm old. But they buy games and then the servers go down and they can no longer download their games. What happens if Steam goes down? I don't know about you, but my Steam account, I got a lot of video games on it. I've had my Steam account for a long time. I got a lot of video games on it. If Steam goes down, those games are lost. I don't have them. I don't own the game. I technically bought a license to rent the game from them anytime I want, as long as the company is solvent, right? So if Steam disappears, theoretically, they have said they would give us a heads up and let us download anything that we want with DRM free. That's what they've said. But did they have to do that? Not necessarily, right? And so, again, this is a problem that permeates a lot of our online digital culture. But, there you go. That's Coinbase being honest. And also, holy shit, this is epic. This is epic. I mean, actually, like, their stock price is going up in the last... people are listening to my show and they're taking financial advice from my show. Look at this. Look, it's going up. Who are the motherfuckers? Who's doing it? Look at this. Since I started talking about this story... There's some big money in my chat. Who the fuck is moving the price up? I gotta get in.